Oh, you have terrible quality video.
Is my lens fogged up? Is it really? Damn. Oh man. Cardos are so annoying. And to try and pair with Sennas too. Not ideal. And guess what? Rainy. Also not ideal. I don't know, I'm gonna have to like repair with you or some shit. I don't really know what's up with it. I just started playing music on my phone, dude. Cardos are so dumb, man. Cardos are great! Try and turn this guy off and back on, I guess. Oh. Huh? I don't vlog. Guys, I don't vlog. What are you talking about? What is that? Oh, I thought it was a bunny. It's just a bag. Wow. No, that sounded sick, bro. We should just do a bunch of wheelies and shit in the rain. Burnouts and whatnot. Rolling burnouts. Okay, like this. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh shit! That is terrifying and so stupid. It feels so dark, but it's just my visor. I lift the visor up and I can see. Close it, I can't. Ow! Shit! That actually hurt a little bit. Can we talk about the economic and political state of the world we're in right now? Oh, it's starting to rain again. I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit with bullets. Oh, look at that. Puddle. Whoa, hey. Watch it, buddy! I'm on to you! Yeah, there's bugs in your throttle cable. Hi, friend. She's a well, fuck! She's a super freaky girl. That's what I was trying to say. Ooh, someone's grilling and it's... Whoa. Watch out! 300 cc's of terror! Let's go to the bar, take 6 shots each, wheelie these suckers all the way home. Oh no. There you are. He just ran a red light! Hi, Bob! Yeah, there's a little dry ass impact theory over here. Yeah! Let me get a piece of that! Get up here, dude. Why are you fucking sitting back there? You scared? Are you scared? Well, you gotta... Hey! Slow down! Look, it's for all the people always telling me that you don't have to use the clutch. You don't have to use the clutch. Oh, shit. God. What happened? I want to be in my bag, guys. Yeah! Holy shit, that scared me. She's super freaky. Hey, how are ya? So let me go. Whoa. Is that how you stop? Is that how you guys stop? You drag your feet? Where are your socks? What is that? It's a Volvo. Pussy truck.
Ain't no fucking Peterbilt, man. I hate
that. Ain't no Peterbilt. Ain't no Kenworth. Oh. Yeah, just keep on coming. We're not here.
I forgot to bring my
Whoa. Oh my god, Keanu Reeves has been unmasked. It's Keanu Reeves. You have resemblance. Who are you without the mask on?
What's my hair?
What hair?
What do you mean? This hair.
Oh my god, I can't get my gloves off. Help.
This hair.
What the? Dude.
Hey Charlie. Are you saying I'm gonna have a bike on too pussy to even go faster?
Who's Charlie?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, why is my seat wet? No, seriously, who did that? Thank you.
Eagle.
No, thank you. What are you doing in here? Let's get a Red Bull chat. Question is, yo, seriously, back up, bro.
You know where the jalapeno Cheetos might be at?
Jalapeno Cheetos? Yeah, maybe look in the chip aisle, you fucking idiot. Cheddar jalapeno Cheetos.
Over here, right
Does it look like I work here?
Those are cheddar jalapeno. Jalapeno.
That's all they have, dude.
Okay, jalapeno cheddar?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Another question. You know where the
Best Red Bull.
now or laters are?
Now and later's. Probably right here somewhere with the candy. You're welcome.
That's right, because we always just leave it on there.
Yeah, sure, dude. I'll carry the weight of the world on my shoulders. Where'd all the stuff go that you just bought? Your card declined? Whoa, I left my key in my bike. I'm gonna get robbed out here. So let me go. Wow, now that's a bike. See you guys, I'm just gonna chill over here.
That's what I was gonna do.
Wow, no, that's awesome. Are they gonna go? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Whoa! No, look at that sunset, guys. Look at that sunset. That's almost as pretty as you guys. Honestly, wow, that is so... Wow. I can't... Wow. Dude, that lady stopped right there to let me, like, go with you guys, and I almost ran into the curb. I was trying to hustle because she was waiting on me, and I almost just went curbed it, curber. Oh my lord, I didn't even see you there. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Hey guys, you mind if I squeeze in here? Hey! Oh my god, everyone's fucking me. Get out of here, guys. So let me go. There he is. Oh fuck. I'm gonna get him, guys. I'm gonna get him. He doesn't know I'm here. Boo! Is your bike off? How did you go that far with your bike off? And you cruised all the way up there and around with it off. This is slightly uphill. How the fuck did you do that? Oh, it's so hot, guys. You can tell how humid it is here. Look at all the windows of these places. They're all fogged up. Whoa, 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 whoa! God, they almost hit us. Wow. Soppy? Nice.
Dude, I went to go.
I went to go and then he...
Turn the camera off, dude! We're having fun in here!